Inspiration 1390, Angela Martin.
Yes.
You know, I got to help you do something with all this money you have. We speak those things that be not as though they were.
Oh, I am a millionaire.
Hey!
Mm-hmm.
But you just can't put your money in the bank. So we brought someone along who we call a financial advisor to teach people what to do with the few coins that they have. Your name, sir?
Joseph Ward.
Brother Ward, what we call him. Now, so tell us, like the holiday season, people will be doing a lot of shopping.
Yes.
We don't want them to spend all their money. So those that have a desire to save money, what's the best way to save money?
Well, first of all, in speaking on the holiday season, we got to start with some sort of budget. Okay. We've got to have something, Pastor Handler, that says this is going to be our spending limit for the year. And remember that the gifts that were given to Christ was just an example, and we're not supposed to spend every dime we have, getting all these games and PlayStations and all these different things, and forget about what the real purpose is. Okay. And so long term, what we really got to focus on is long-term investing. What's the game plan? Where do I want to be? When do I want to be able to retire? And then I've got to get in an investment vehicle that's going to outpace inflation. So too many people within our communities have their money in CDs and bank accounts are getting 1% and 2%, where in other communities, let's just say, they've been investing in the market, mutual funds, IRAs, 401ks, which have traditionally averaged 10 to 12% rate of return. So we've got to put our money in a place to where it can multiply. God is a God of multiplication, not addition. Okay. And so we've got to have it in a vehicle that's going to do that.
Okay. So some people say, well, how much do I need to start saving? Like how do you start saving?
And that just depends on the company that you deal with. But many mutual fund companies will allow you to start saving for as little as $50 a month. We're not talking about, $10,000 and $25,000. The key is the habit. It's getting in the habit of saving, get in the habit of setting money aside. Because if we can start really accumulating our pennies, those pennies can eventually become quarters, then dollars, and we can have something substantial over time. So it just depends on the mutual fund company, but you can get started somewhere between $50 to $100 a month.
I need you to kill something, because when I was a kid, my mother taught me, like you said, $50 a month. Take something out of your check and just put it up. That's what she said. Well, people are taking that money and they're just putting it in savings accounts.
Yes.
Savings account. So people have money market accounts. At one point, I had a money market account, and it was making me good money, not in this economy today.
Right.
So if I take, say for instance, I take $20 out of every one of my checks, or $50 out, what do you do with it?
Well, the first thing is that investing must be systematic. Okay. It can't be something. This ain't the cable bill. This ain't something you pay every month at a certain time. You got to have that money withdrawn from either your check through your job, 401k, 403b, 457, or you've got to have it drafted out of your checking account on the same day every single month. And you really get in a system where you forget that you're doing it.
Right. Where does it go, though?
And so then once you do that, you're going to put it in for most people, they need to, if they've already started investing in their 401k, because free money is always good money. And so if their job is matching, you want to start there. After that, you're going to go into a Roth IRA, which is going to grow tax-free and have tax-free withdrawals on the back end. And so within that, then you choose funds. That's where the advisor comes in to choose funds that match your time horizons and what you're trying to do.
So what do you say to a person that perhaps, like Pastor Henry was saying, with the economy now, a lot of people, their entire check goes to their bills. They need all of their money. So it's the truth. I mean,
shut up,
Ahmed is saying amen. But what do you say to a person that feels like, when their check comes, they're already in the red? How can they save anything?
Well, they've got to have a game plan to get in a position where they can do that, Angela. Because at the end of the day, the money is there. What we've got to do is prioritize that money. Because I can promise you that same individual, not to pick on the sisters, but that same individual's hair and nails will still be done. That's not going to be an issue. The brother is still going to be able to have the NFL channel done on the cable. So we got to prioritize those things.
Cut back
so
on
there's
some
got
of
to
the
be a game
cable
plan.
channels.
So maybe what we do is that we say, okay, let's start to cut back on a couple of
See
things.
where you can cut.
Right, and
Don't cut your Starbucks bill.
start with your. Well, we could. The
That ain't
lattes
God.
are costing us a lot of money too. But once again, it's a game plan. It's not something you can't just jump into this. You got to have a game plan to get yourself there.
Absolutely.
But the money is there once you really establish a budget.
All right, Chicago, I want our brother to give his number out in a way that they can contact you. And let's start. 2013 is coming.
Yes.
So what a way to start your year out as far as looking towards your future.
And your children, too. I know we have to go, but your children, the best thing to do, like John was saying with his mom, when you start your kids, and my dad is like that, save something, put something away, and that becomes habitual. And as you grow, you'll continue to do that. Yeah.
All right, so how can they reach you?
They can reach me at area code 312. My office number is 312-808-4417.
Say it one more time.
312-808-4417.
All right, we appreciate you coming by the
Thank
John
you.
Hannah
Thank you
Morning
for
Show.
coming.
And you're helping somebody. You're helping me.
Absolutely.
All right, Chicago, let's get that money. $13.90.